Hi, my name is Aniruddha Kolarkar and I'm an applications engineer with Apex Microtechnology. You're watching the Apex Analog Tech Talk series, General Operating Considerations. Welcome to part 2 of the series, Protection Circuits for Power Operational Amplifiers. In part 1, we covered pre-power up considerations for power operational amplifiers. Today, I'll discuss about protection circuits for overload conditions such as output protection, input protection, and exceeding absolute maximum ratings on the data sheet. First, I'll talk about input protection for differential input voltages. Exceeding the absolute maximum rating for differential input voltage on the data sheet can result in destroying the input stage of the amplifier. This can occur if there is a fast rising edge at the input or if there is switching in the feedback loop while the amplifier is in operation. To protect the amplifier against such conditions, you can use ultra-fast diodes such as 1N4148 diodes in an anti-parallel configuration at the input of the amplifier. Next, I will talk about overvoltage protection at the output of an amplifier. A power operational amplifier should never be stressed beyond its absolute maximum supply ratings. Conditions where there is a change in the current for an inductive load or if there is a mechanical shock for a piezo device can result in voltage flybacks from the load. To protect the amplifier against such voltage flybacks, use ultra-fast recovery diodes from the output of the amplifier to the positive supply and the negative supply. The reverse recovery times of these diodes should be less than 100 nanoseconds and 20 nanoseconds for high frequency operation. Third, I will talk about current limit feature for Apex power operational amplifiers to keep an amplifier operating within its safe operating area. The current limit feature provides means to operate the amplifier and protect it from fault conditions such as accidental shorts to ground or accidental shorts to either supply. Data sheets for different Apex products describe the equation to calculate the value of the current limit resistor. This is to ensure that the output current does not exceed the maximum absolute rating during accidental shorts to ground at the output. Here is a scope shot of the output voltage of an operational amplifier under normal operating conditions. However, the output voltage cuts off when the current limit kicks in. Finally, one of the most widely misunderstood parameter on an op-amp datasheet is the common mode voltage range, which specifies how close an input voltage common to the input pins can approach either supply rail. If the input voltage exceeds common mode voltage range, the amplifier will no longer work linearly. This can also result in damaging the input stage of the amplifier. These are just a few important protection features to keep in mind when designing your next circuit with a power operational amplifier. Apex application notes AN01, 09, 11, and 22 talk about these protection features that I've just discussed. Thank you for watching.